Alright guys, welcome back to Warfield Motor Repair. So, we're going to work on restitching the seat of the 1998 Kawasaki KX125. I think restitching is the wrong word, but we're going to put a new seat cover on it. So this is what we're going to run with. The Neutron, I don't know how to say some of these brands, I'm sorry. So, yeah, this is the old seat cover. This is the factory one. It's got a nice giant hole down it. I mean, that thing's useless. It's faded so bad. Like, the color here is different from the color up here. This is like a forest green. This is a KX green. So, that's not good. So, we're running in things. So, we're going to put this seat cover on. It's just a basic black. We had this on the 2003 KX252 stroke. Figured, why not? We got that off of, was it eBay? No, Rocky Mountain ATVMC. That's where we got that from. Go check them out. If you don't shop there already, you should. And to do this, we had to go out and tripods running and things. We had to get a new tool. Ta-da! An air gun, or a staple gun, I should say. I don't know where the other one is because we have a brad nailer, but it won't take staples. So we went to Lowe's, grabbed one of these. Oh, yuck. No, I'm just kidding. Always wear your safety glasses when you do these things. Except sometimes I don't. But that will be the price I pay when I get something in my eye. Anyway, so this is the seat. The cover, or the foam, is good. It's got this extra piece of foam, but I guess that's for support because it hangs really low. So I'm going to leave that in there. And if it hinders the seat from going on, I'm going to take it out. But, I mean, yeah. So I already did the hard part with getting the old seat cover off, and then taking all the staples out. That is a pain. So I'm gonna basically just tell y'all what to do. Like, if you want to do this for yourself, really just pull. So with, I got the tools over here actually. So right here, I just have a basic flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers. I stuck the screwdriver under the, like this, and kind of pried it up like that. I came in with the needle nose, did this, and I pulled one side up, grabbed it on the side, and then pulled it up. It's a long process. I figured don't record that because I don't think anyone wants to watch me pull nails out of a seat for 30 minutes or so, even if it's a time lapse. That's boring. So we're going to cut to the good stuff and, just put the new seat cover on. But first, I got to actually get air to run this tool here because it runs on compressed air. So I first got to put oil in the air inlet right there. So running into the trash can with the tripod now. It's great. But yeah, so we put oil in here somewhere. So I'll be back. We'll just have a quick cut. I gotta get the air compressor out and ready and figure out what I need to prep on this thing, and then we'll be good to go and get started with putting the new seat cover on. Alright guys, so we're ready to go get the new seat cover installed. Finally got the air gun working, and for myself, I have the safety goggles on. So we are ready to go. And of course, being me, Captain Overdo It, I'm running the generator out there to power the air compressor, so that's cool. Alright, so now that I've got the seat cover on, I've not done this where I put a brand new seat cover on, so this is going to be a new experience for me, and hopefully this fits because it's showing, maybe I don't need that. Maybe that's messing with me right now because I don't think that's meant for it. Yeah, that looks a little better. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it was that, wasn't that, but I don't know. I mean, no one sits way back on the seat anyway, so. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do is just line it up. Make sure I can get everything lined up, looking good. I'm going to come to the front, actually. And I'm going to pull it. So let me get it so y'all can see. We're going to pull it here in the front, nice and tight. It doesn't matter on if it hangs over or not because that's going to be cut off. So we're going to pull it tight. We want that seam right there. So There we go. So that's on. It's nice and where I want it. So we're gonna roll up the air gun. It's falling out. Just gonna, that's one, that's two. And I'll put one, nah, I won't. I think that should be good right now. Just take a look at it. Make sure the staple didn't kind of pierce through. Okay, that looks good. I hope it looks good when I'm done and it doesn't look like a third grader did this. Alright, so there we go. Got the seat all done. So kind of forgot to start the time lapse for a while because I had the camera plugged in and the light was on, and so I thought it was still recording. Sorry about that, guys. There's only a small problem. There's a little bit of flap here, so it's not perfectly set here. But I mean, for my first time doing this, like, that's not terrible. I think I may, depending on, well, no, you wouldn't want to do that. I was gonna say stick a nail in the side here or here, but you wouldn't really want to do that. But I mean, aside from that small part, I mean, it's pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job for, you know, my first time throwing a seat on, or a seat cover on. I mean, I've worked with, oh geez, this tripod legs. But I mean, I've worked with, like, you know, doing all this stuff before, trying to get a new seat on, or just fixing up the back of a seat cover. But I mean, that's, I don't know, I'd say for a rookie that's pretty good. And this air tool is pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie about that. I enjoyed working with it, using it, because it kept everything easier instead of using a staple gun, like a handheld one, you know. So instead of using that, so once I figured out how to get that thing working, it went pretty good. I burned through a bunch of staples to do that. Alright, but I know I don't have the subframe on, but we can just throw this here. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I like that. So this seat cover is definitely gonna enhance the looks of this bike by a lot. Beautiful. Alright, well, that's it here for Warfield Motor Repair. I'm Speedy B. Remember, ride, brake, fix, and repeat. It's our slogan. I don't know, what y'all think about that? I think that's pretty good. Anyway, but that's it on this video. Catch you guys in the next video. Make sure everyone out there ride safe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.